Let's explain all this super simply. So, imagine your blood is an oxygen delivery service. Hemoglobin is your truck, oxygen is the package. Now, PaO2 is like the air around the trucks. That's how much oxygen is floating freely in the blood. It depends on how well your lungs are working. It's just your lungs' ability to pump that blood and get that freely flowing oxygen. In anemia, lungs still work fine, and so your PaO2 is normal. Your SaO2 is how full each truck is. If there's enough oxygen in the air, the hemoglobin gets fully loaded. And so even if you have fewer trucks, the ones that you do have are still going to be saturated. They're going to be loaded. That's SaO2. But here's the catch. O2 content is the total delivery, and it depends on how many trucks you have, right? How many hemoglobins you have. So in anemia, you don't have as many trucks as you'd like, right? But are they full? Yeah, they're full. But the total oxygen delivered is still lower. So what would happen to your PaO2? Okay, what do we say that was? That's the air around the trucks. That's just how much oxygen is just floating around. That's just normal. It's your lungs. That's just the air. So it's fine. How about your SaO2? That's how saturated. Are the trucks full? Yeah, there just aren't a lot of them. And so they're still going to be saturated. So that's going to be normal for SaO2. And how about your O2 content, though? That's going to be decreased because anemia means less trucks, and it does not mean less air or loading. It's just there's less trucks, there's less hemoglobin, and so your O2 content is going to be depleted. So yep, less total oxygen, but there's still full saturation, and there still is air passing through. All right, hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.